Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, participants of ICST, the 6th ICST and Semirata 2023. Allow me to present my research about modeling of environmental quality index with environmental resource indicators using multiple indicators, multiple causes model, or we know as MIC model. And we can translate that as a title that I registered to this conference, Pemodelan Indeks Kualitas Lingkungan Hidup dengan Indikator Sumber Daya Lingkungan menggunakan multiple indicators, multiple causes model, and the others is Bunga Mardhotillah, S.Si, M.Stat, and Dr. Zurweni, M.Si. This research aims to visualize the model of environmental resource factors on the constituent factors of the environmental quality index using the multiple indicators, multiple causes, or MIC method. Using secondary data source from IKLH 2020, the predictor variables in this study include air quality, water quality, land cover quality, and environmental quality. Some of the indicators in this research are conservation forest area, limited production forest area, fixed production forest area, protection forest area, coral reefs, and mangroves. Data analysis using MIC model showing a very significant baseline and model factor. Some predictor coefficients have low standard error and close to zero, as well as significant indicators coefficients, except coral reefs with a p-value of 0.736. The form model is worth using since the RMSEA is worth 0.188 with a p-value of 0.005. A height R square is given by two indicators, namely limited production forest area and fixed production forest area, respectively valued at 0.968 and 0.790. And this we can see the chi-square test with p-value, with significant p-value. As I said before, that baseline model and factor model is significant. And then this is the parameter estimates with z-value, p-value, kemudian and then the estimate. Next, indicator coefficient. We can see the z-value. In MIC model, we use z-value. Next, additional fit measures. CFI, TLI, and NFI, NFI, PNFI, RFI, IFI, RNI. And next, information criteria, log likelihood, number of free parameters, AKK, Bayesian, sample size adjusted Bayesian, and other fit measures, root mean square error of approximation, RMSEA 90% CI lower bound, RMISEA 90% CI upper bound, or confident interval, and then RMSEA p-value, standardized root mean square residual, Holter's critical at alpha 0.05 and 0.01, goodness of fit index or GFI, MFI, and then expected cross validation index is CVI. And as I said before, that R squared height R square having by variable hutan produksi terbatas and hutan produksi tetap. And this is MIC model for this research. We can see on the screen that we can have this model from the tabulation that presented before in the slide that I explained before this last slide, and this is the model is not the best model. MIC model is not the best model, but this model can use to visualize condition that happen in our research. And then I would thank you for the committee of ICST and Semirata 2023. If you have any question, you can mail me at bunga.mardhotillah@gmail.com with B is not capitalized. And see you in the other conference. Thank you. Good evening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.